The coming short video features the Hornby Adams Radial and my father's kit-built Adams Radial tank locos. However, by very kind permission from Transacord Limited, I have been able to marry the video up with the sounds of an Adams Radial tank at work on the Lyme Regis branch. Not just any loco, but in fact 30582 herself. It's been very hard to find any audio recordings of these locomotives, and apart from my rather poor quality cassette version that you heard in my recent definitive guide to the Adams Radial tank video, this delightful short recording is most welcome. The track comes from my CD collection and it is called Southern Steam. Peter Handford was the recordist and was well known for his recordings of steam locomotives in the 1950s and 60s during the last days of steam in Britain. These were issued on the Transacord label between 1955 and 1961. You will be pleased to know that you can now download many of these wonderful sound archives direct from Transacord at www.transacord.co.uk. I'll put a link in the video. Please note that all recordings are copyright to Transacord. Now sit back, turn your sound up and enjoy this video.